we're doing jelly fruits. Vanya first.
Hit or miss.
Wait, if it comes out
You're
that
not
way.
even not in the video.
So, Cindy, just let him.
Kim.
It's coming out that
Come on.
Okay. Oh. Absolutely not. Eat it out now.
Why? Not gonna taste
Okay.
good.
It's coming out that way.
That sucks.
I'm so scared.
No, because look. Mom. Clean it up.
Fine.
Okay, Kim, eat yours. Hurry.
Oh,
wait.
yes, right. Coming out that side. Coming out,
It's
Pam.
coming out.
Dad, I'm gonna show you how well these pants fit me.
It's gonna be gross.
Okay.
All right. Put your mouth in the sink.
Hit.
This is good.